T4x 5G, experience power and durability. The Vivo T4x 5G is designed to deliver exceptional performance, long-lasting battery life, and a stylish yet durable design. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone who needs a reliable smartphone for daily use, the T4x 5G is built to impress. Key highlights: white check mark, segment's largest battery, 6,500 mAh for extended usage without frequent charging. White check mark, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor, ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast performance. White check mark, military-grade certified durability, built to withstand tough conditions with MIL STD810H certification. White check mark, 1050 nits high brightness display, experience vivid colors and crisp visuals even in bright sunlight. White check mark, 50MP AI camera with AI erase, capture detailed shots and remove unwanted elements effortlessly. White check mark, trendy colors and premium design, stand out with stylish color options and a premium textured finish. Stylish and modern design. Color options, available in Pronto Purple and Marine Blue, inspired by speed and modern aesthetics. AG texture finish, adds a premium feel and enhances grip. Quad curved design, ergonomically designed for a comfortable and secure hold. Ultra-thin profile. 8.09 mm for Pronto Purple variant. 8.19 mm for Marine Blue variant. Unmatched battery life. 6,500 mAh high-density battery, enjoy long-lasting performance for all your daily needs. 44 watts flash charge, fast charging technology ensures you're always ready to go. Usage stats: 11 hours of uninterrupted gaming. 40 hours of video playback. 15 hours of social media browsing. 74 hours of music playback. Super battery saver mode, get 3.5 hours of standby time with just 5% battery. 5-year battery backup, smart optimization keeps your battery healthy even after prolonged use. Blazing performance with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G. Powerful octa-core processor, handles heavy apps and multitasking effortlessly. 8GB RAM plus 8GB extended RAM, ensures seamless performance even with multiple apps running. 256GB storage, UFS 3.1, ultra-fast read/write speeds for improved app performance. Enhanced efficiency, optimized for power saving and lag-free operation. Immersive gaming experience. Ultra Game Mode, fine-tune performance with real-time gaming tools and panels. 4D game vibration, enjoy enhanced haptic feedback for a more immersive experience. Dual stereo speakers, experience crisp, clear, and louder audio. 400% volume boost, amplifies in-game sounds for better awareness. 50% sound field expansion, creates a surround sound effect for a more engaging gaming session. Stunning display. 1050 nits high brightness display, ensures clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Vibrant colors and smooth visuals, delivers an enhanced viewing experience with a high refresh rate and dynamic contrast. Eye protection mode, reduces strain by filtering harmful blue light. Durability you can trust. Military-grade MIL STD810H certification, rigorously tested for reliability. Shock-absorbing design, built to withstand accidental drops. IP64 rated, resistant to dust and water splashes, ensuring durability in different environments. Capture every moment with AI camera. 50MP AI main camera, take high-resolution shots with incredible detail. Super night mode, enhances low-light photography for brighter and clearer images. AI erase, instantly remove unwanted elements from your photos with a simple tap. AI photo enhance, restore old or faded images to their original vibrancy. 4K video recording, 30 FPS, capture lifelike videos with ultra-clear quality. AI document scanner, instantly convert physical documents into digital files with sharp clarity. Additional features. FunTouch OS, provides an intuitive and smooth user experience with smart UI optimizations. Google Assistant and AI features, access AI-driven enhancements for improved productivity and convenience. Optimized software for a 50-month smooth experience, ensures long-term software performance and stability. The Vivo T4x 5G is the perfect blend of power, durability, and innovation, offering an unparalleled smartphone experience for users who demand the best.